It's Yak and Yeti time. He's interesting. Ooh, we get to go upstairs.
The only thing
Oh, it smells amazing in here.
Oswald.
Ooh, look at this guy. And this guy.
But they give out.
Okay, here's the Yak and Yeti restaurant menu. Small plate. Shareables. Soup and salad. Noodles and bowls. Mmm, that looks good. Specialties. There's duck, sriracha seafood, mac and cheese, coconut shrimp. Oh, that looks good. Crispy honey chicken. Oh, Korean barbecue ribs. Yeah, that's good.
Korean fried chicken and waffles.
That's what I'm doing. That is Shanghai lemonade with, it's like a pear flavor. And then you got, what did you get? A strawberry? Okay. Strawberry frozen lemonade.
That's how I can tell.
I look like a pretty blue pony.
Now, Ethan is lemonaries.
I'm a lion. I have a ponytail.
You're a lion with a ponytail?
We're talking about birth symbol.
Yeah, we're trying to figure out everybody's sign for some.
Just turn on the camera while we were
Just
talking
random conversation here.
How did we get on this topic?
Because the one of the pins had a Pisces on it.
Yeah.
What kind of beer did you get?
Sapphire.
How is it?
It's terrific.
It's
It's very good, actually. That's what the waiter recommended. I told him I'm a lager guy. He said I would like this, and it is very, very good. Easy, goes down real smooth and easy. It's for a dark beer. It's not real dark, but it's. It's good. Over here. Yes, please. Cheers. Thank you.
all right. So we got a little house salad as an appetizer. Ooh, that looks good.
I'm done.
Yep. All of our change fell out, and so we're fixing it so we can get pressed pennies. Quarter, quarter penny. Quarter, quarter penny. Penny. So we were just looking at wait times.
Look, I have the same.
You know, you'd do
Right
even
now.
better than that if you would.
We walked on Dinosaur this
amazing.
morning. That's still not bad. We walked on Primeval World. That's a 40-minute
Did you
wait.
ever stop drawing?
We did wait 30 minutes for Expedition Everest this morning.
That's
Get a fast pass
crazy
for
good.
this. And here's the kicker.
I wish I had the picture.
We walked on Navi River Journey at park opening this morning. It's a
crazy
2-hour
good.
wait now, and that's crazy.
Here, let me
We're
take
gonna
a
fast
picture of
pass
that.
for that later. Wow.
One thing I gotta say, I have not been on Flight of Passage, but I'm pretty sure it's not even worth the
We have to show the
175
people
minute
on
wait.
camera.
Well, you can't say that until you've been on it.
It's a ride.
You're not pulling my leg.
I
I've been
know.
on something with my train that has like more than has an hour, 150-minute wait, and I can tell you right now, it is not worth the wait.
Oh, you wore an appropriate shirt for where we're at right now. Yep. Because didn't he train in the Himalayas?
Yeah.
Appropriate shirt. Good job. You're the Flash. Yeah, we got a little DC thing going on today. Oh, I'm sorry. That's Marvel. That is Marvel. I get confused.
I don't know what it is.
We got a superhero thing going on with the boys anyway. Oh my God, that's a lot of food. That's the teriyaki chicken.
I use my fork and knife chopsticks.
Cameron got the coconut shrimp.
Let me see them. Let me show you.
Colby, let me see. That is the Korean barbecue ribs.
Perfect. I must say.
Ethan got chicken lau mein. Oh yeah. And Jason got the ribeye. And he said he would normally get a ribeye here, but the guy,
I'm gonna model it.
oh, That's beautiful.
Listen, you don't just take one shot of that. You got to do a 360 turnaround on this baby.
The waiter actually said it's a, oh my God, it's ginormous. He said it's a really good steak, so he's gonna give that a try. Are you licking the mashed potatoes off your spoon?
Cue the music. Yes, I am.
Teach me how to use chopsticks.
Wow. Okay, now, hold on.
Impressions, Ethan, how was yours?
He's already eaten half of it in like 30 seconds.
Cameron, how was yours?
Really good.
Really good? That looks good. All right, Colby? Good?
First bite.
Yeah, it's on the gluten-free version of that.
Huh? Tender?
Eric.
Spicy barbecue, it's good? All right, Jace, how's that steak?
Very good. It's like got this tang to it. Asian zang tang.
Yeah.
So it's like, you know, it doesn't taste like a traditional ribeye, but it's good. It's cooked perfectly. I said medium rare. They cooked it exactly medium rare, but it's a good new flavor for me, and I like it. I really enjoy it. I highly recommend it.
Cool.
Okay, what'd you get?
Okay, so I got the teriyaki chicken. I took some, it came in a full breast. So I've taken it and cut some of it up.
Let's see what we got here.
And the glaze on this is amazing. But the rice is really good, the chicken is really good, and the vegetables are really good. So you just kind of get a little bit.
The sauce is delicious.
That's good stuff.
That's really, really good.
Is sauce sweet or?
Oh, the roasted pepper by this too.
Yummy.
I'm feeling better.
Yeah. Oh, look what we got. The chocolate cake is here. God. Oh my God.
That red stuff raspberry.
Oh my gosh. Do not touch that so we take pictures. And cheesecake. And I'm getting wontons. Oh, look at that. That is the fried wontons.
That looks
For dessert. It smells amazing.
more pineapple.
And then Cameron's got the chocolate cake with a raspberry drizzle. That looks good. Mine is forks.
I'll get you a fork and a spoon right now.
Okay. Colby, you got the pineapple upside down cake. How is it?
Let's find out.
Good? Ethan, how's that cheesecake?
Half gone.
Oh my God, you're such a pig. You're so funny.
How's that cheesecake half gone?
So look, those
Those are the wontons.
are the wontons. They've got like cream cheese in the middle.
Is that what that sauce is? Like a little creamy light sauce in there? Oh my gosh. Good?
That's amazing. That's really, really
And you
good.
get some ice cream?
Yeah.
Ethan is getting after he is tearing it up. And cheers.
Silly goose. Yeah, there's Dad's dessert. Jason has beer for dessert.
I opted out dessert to have a salad.
Wah.
Because what I made up with calories with this.
Oh my God, Colby's about devouring his. Ethan's is almost gone. Cameron's still waiting on a fork. So Cameron finally got a fork. How was that cake?
Delicious.
Like on a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate your chocolate cake? Really? Okay, I have to try a bite of that.
Big, that's right. 1, 2, everybody, your turn, just you don't color the no. You say hiya. You don't color the no. You say hiya. Number 3, everybody says you say hiya. Hiya, hiya. You don't color the no. You say hiya. You don't color the no. You say hiya. Number 3, everybody say what? Say hiya. Hiya. color, you say, hiya. Top color, you say, hiya. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Hello, happy children, happy little children. How are you doing today? How are you doing? Hello, happy children, welcome to Holland. How are you doing? Everybody, hop, 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 stand up. Come on, everybody, hop. Hop, hop.
This is 4.5, so I'm going with this.
We're getting, Jason's getting a golden monkey here at the Dawel Bar in Animal Kingdom. Hi. No, I'm good.
9.5.
Cheers. How's that?
It's got a beautiful lawn color to it. I like it.
You like it?
Very good. Yep. Nice recommendation. Forget the people, but
Method to the magic.
yeah, very good.
Method to the magic. Recommendation taken. Thank you. Heading to Rafiki's Planet Watch. We haven't done this in years.
Yeah, you just walk ahead.
We haven't come to Rafiki's since the boys were little. So we're gonna go over here and ride the train. Ethan. We got all the kids now. Cameron keeps stopping a pin trade.
I remember this.
I'm the one
Yeah.
that stopped.
I was
So
old enough to remember this.
we're
but
like,
they weren't.
where's Cameron? We turn around, Cameron's pin trading.
Yeah, didn't get anything.
Nothing good?
Did too. Pretty much how.
You don't always. We're on the Wildlife Express, heading to Rafiki's Planet Watch. We haven't done this since the boys were tiny.
I didn't even remember
They
this
don't
was an
remember
actual
anything
train.
about it.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Colby? Hey. Alright, that's it.
See,
Hi, everyone.
See, I thought it was like a choo-choo train.
I'm being ignored down there.
Yeah.
Rhinos. So this is like the zoo, I mean the vet area. Look, it's the White Rhino building. So this is where the vets take care of them when they're sick, or, oh, there's an African elephant building. So I'm sure they get brought in every now and then to get checked on and, you know, groomed and all that good stuff. You get to see all this as you go back here. Jungle through here.
Rafiki.
Oh, hi Rafiki. Hold on. I need a picture of Rafiki. Rafiki. Oh my gosh, look at these two.
Nice.
We're in the jungle, baby.
Yeah, now we're actually in the jungle.
Hey,
Stop,
you're in the
guys.
jungle, baby.
It's very jungle-ish out here. Look. We are here.
I'll lie down, but not pet.
You want to pet a rhino?
Yes.
I don't think you get to pet a rhino.
I want to slap
Can I get a turtle?
No.
That's
Oh, look at our family
turtle.
shadows. And you two can't stop pushing each other.
Colby started it. Seriously, I was sitting here and he started pushing me. That's what we saw.
Yeah.
Then they just built that for no reason at all. Having spiders.
Well, this is kind of a homecoming here for us, Rafiki's Planet Watch, because it's been about 10 years. Well, it was 2010 when we were last here with the boys, so that would have put Ethan at 7 and the twins at 4. And they took pictures with I think they changed some of this around, but
I think one of them was sitting on the tiger's back.
yeah, one of them was sitting on the tiger's back or something like that. But we're gonna take new pictures here and put them together. kind of be cool.
Hold on, we got an extra in the picture.
Got extras. You know, you just gotta let the extras partake sometimes.
Come on, come on.
Okay, now sit up
Come on, come on, come on.
What happens when you're on drugs on the other side?
Oh! Look at the other
What
side.
you see on drugs?
Yeah.
That's what you want to see.
Penny time.
Huh?
It's penny time.
The death of the most famous meme.
Which one y'all want to get?
Options are.
Or this one?
I kind of like the Timon and Pumbaa and Simba one.
Yeah, I do too. Kobe, we're not getting Donald.
Everybody disagrees.
Let's.
See what I'm dealing with here?
What's this? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, kiss the sacrifice.
No, I got it.
Let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny.
We just ate, and they have a second wind of energy.
We're getting Donald.
Donald. End
Okay.
story.
All right, put the quarters in.
Cameron's gonna pick whichever one he wants.
Cameron picked C.
Let's see who hit
A, B,
first.
and C.
I won.
All right.
Here, you can do
It's Timon and Pumbaa and Simba. Cool.
It's a
Y'all
fun.
want to get the Donald too?
No.
Okay.
It's for a cause.
God.
It's Dung Snowman.
Yes.
Dung Man.
That is hilarious.
It's only
Oh my gosh.
No pun intended.
So this is the lab in here where they take care of all the animals. And then yeah, here's more info.
Slap it.
And here's the vets. It's where they take care of all the animals when they get sick.
That's what she said.
Rock.
So that
Little green parts.
and that
That's the
are frogs.
river.
Between the many pieces of glass, it's very, you can't see. We thought they were rocks, but those are the frogs.
Yeah.
You can see it better from up here. Frog.
I saw that one right down there.
Wow.
The
Cool.
one on the bottom.
He doesn't know what he is. He's got little hands and a long tail.
Frog development. They killed multiple frogs.
It's a Chinese crocodile lizard.
Mom, watch out for the
He's
snake.
posing.
Mom, watch out for the snake. He's gonna bite you.
Watch out for the snake.
Oh my god, look at that skull.
That lizard is totally posing for everyone.
That snake. That snake's skull.
Look at him. He thinks he's hot.
One got loose.
I know, Dad, look at the skull. Right there.
Ew, they're a dead leaf mantis.
Mom,
Look how.
Mom, quickly.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Big old cockroach. I'm hanging by two legs.
It's hilarious.
Oh my gosh, are they fighting? Or what?
Look at those things.
You see the beetle?
Yeah.
It doesn't want to focus through the hole. He's massive.
That thing's big. I would
Big.
see if I saw that in our front yard, I would totally grab a pistol.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd grab a pistol. Shoot it.
It's ready to go in the petting zoo.
Who wants to ride a baby hippo? A rhino.
I don't think they have baby rhinos to
Ride a
ride.
rhino.
I don't think you get to ride a rhino.
An elephant, maybe? The cow.
Can I ride
Can I ride an elephant? Okay, then can we ride the cow?
Oh look.
Oh god, let's shoot. Come here, let me slap you. Oh, not nice. That's animal cruelty.
This isn't an animal in my pants. Ah, look at the boat, the goat.
Probably not actually gonna pet it because I don't want to
I want to get a
wash my
selfie
hands.
with the goat. Time.
Huh?
I want to get a selfie with the goat.
You want to get a selfie with the goat? Okay, go take your selfie with the goat. Hold on. Colby is taking a selfie with the goat. Did you really take a selfie with the goat?
Yeah, I got it. And now that all of the most do not disturb. You take it.
Look at all the goats.
Literally, all they're doing is look.
Yeah, girlfriend, don't you?
Hi. How you doing?
Colby created this craze. Everyone's taking selfies.
It's a baby llama. It's so cute. Little baby
Watch out, they
llama.
spit.
Mom,
Yeah.
Spit.
that one right
So-
there, that pig apparently did something wrong. He's sitting in the corner.
Yeah, we got warthogs and pigs and baby llamas.
Where they were laying.
Komodo dragon. Look how cool he is.
If it couldn't kill me, I would love it.
If it wouldn't kill you.
Yeah. Isn't there bite like?
Yeah, if they bite you, then it's toxic.
You're dead. You're.
Yeah.
These look dead.
Did you enjoy Rafiki's Planet Watch?
Goodbye to our friendly cast member at the
And I got a
station.
selfie with the goat.
Selfie with a goat. How awesome is that?
Put the picture right.
Put the picture right here. Okay. Did y'all like Rafiki's Planet Watch? Did you,
Update
Cameron?
On the pen.
It was.
Oh,
Yeah. It was
that's my favorite pen trade to date.
Once again,
small,
everyone,
it's
welcome
awesome.
aboard
That's an awesome
Sawaya Live Express. My name is Evelyn. I'll be your conductor on our mountain rain and Tokyo found those wire animals and that.
Listen, didn't he have something after that?
No. And we're back in Harambe Station. Harambe. Welcome to Harambe.
I skip school tomorrow and like the day after that.
I hadn't really watched too much.
I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi, flying on the back of an Ikran, or
The link chambers.